Are you struggling right now to spend quality time with your family? Are you worried about maybe you're not going to be able to take a vacation this year because every time your boss says, "Hey, we got overtime," or something, "Hey, you want to work extra time," you're there? And it's because the way the economy is right now, the cost of everything is done got just super ridiculously pricey. You know, once fuel goes up, everything goes up. So are you at that point to where you got to work every second, that the boss gives you the time? You don't have time freedom to spend with your family, and your finances are a mess because everything costs so much. You can't afford not to work the overtime, but at the same time your family suffers because you're not there. Or I got the perfect solution. How about a second income stream? Why not start doing something right now that's going to help your family get so you can get your time and get your financial future back on track? Why not? If you can do that today, why wouldn't you want to start? All you need is a few hours a day, and everybody, you can come up with that in order to do this, especially if you're going to get your time and get your financial future back on track and spend more quality time with your family. If you're not working a 9 to 5, maybe you're a stay-home mom because daycare is just so high right now that it's more effective, cost effective for your spouse to stay home, one of them and keep the kids. But that's a perfect time to do this, to learn affiliate marketing, so you and your family can get their time and get your financial future back on track. There's absolutely no reason to wait. Success loves speed, and the sooner you dive into this, the sooner you get started. We have we give you your own advisor. You get a mentor. You're in a big group, so it's not like you're doing this by yourself. You're gonna get the training, and we will make sure that you have success. This ain't cut and paste. You're going to have to learn it. But at the end of the day, you're going to get your time and get your financial future back on track. And that is important, because if you're working all that overtime just to keep a roof over your head, keep the family fed, but you don't have any time with them, your kids are only little so long, but then bam, next thing you know, they're driving. Next thing you know, they're in college. So you want to spend as much quality time as you can with your kids while they're young, and you can enjoy them, because eventually, like all kids, they kind of outgrow us. But getting your time back is important, because then you can take those vacations, and then when you get your financial stuff all back in line, then everybody's happy. You're sleeping better, you feel better, and your kid, your kids see you more. You're like, hey, who's this guy or who's this gal, you know. But just keep that in mind. I'll leave a link down in the description, and if you think that's what you want to do, you want to learn something that's going to help you, help your family, then it's the perfect thing. We'll teach you affiliate marketing the right way. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, basically what you're doing is taking other people's products and selling it. They're going to give you a link, a specialized link just for you. You promote it, then you get commission. Bam, you get a check. You know, it's you'll learn how to do funnels, you'll learn how to do email campaigns, you'll learn how to do social media stuff, how to promote it on social media. You don't have to worry. You'll get the training, you'll get the mentor, you're going to get the advisor. So why not do it? Why not do something that's going to help your family, get your time back, and get your financial future back on track? Because that is important. Family is important. And if you're not spending quality time with your family, you can be a millionaire. If that's all you do is work, what good is the money? Besides this, if you learn affiliate marketing, you can do this anywhere. You can do this from the beach. You can do this from, overseas. It doesn't matter. We got people all over the world that does this. And if you want to learn it, you want to learn these skills, click the link in the description. Let's get going, because the sooner you learn it, the sooner you will be on a fast track to getting your time and getting your financial freedom back on track. Don't hesitate. Click the link. Let's get going. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell icon, and I will see you on next week's show.